Everyone, and welcome to this quick installation guide of SoftdatePRO. I'm going to show you a step process of how you can install our software SoftdatePRO. SoftdatePRO is a dating software which lets you run your own dating website within 10 to 15 minutes of time without need of any specific coding or etc. Let's get started. Firstly, what are prerequisites for installing SoftdatePRO? You need a domain name, hosting account, and FTP details attached with your domain name. Make sure your domain is pointing towards the right hosting with the name server pointing correctly to your FTP account, and your FTP details are working correctly before you start installing this. And third, you need SoftdatePRO files. I'm sure you already have SoftdatePRO files, so let's move forward with installation. This is the domain where I'm going to where I want to install SoftdatePRO for you. So I'm going to show this process through the cPanel as it's much easier. Actually, I already have it logged in, so let me log in again for you. Okay. So we are into the cPanel now. Let's go to the file manager. Okay. Sorry, I have little cold, so this might disturb your experience, but okay. You need to upload a file here called SoftdatePRO, the file which you have received from Code Canyon. Okay. It must be a zip file to upload it through the cPanel. If you are doing it through any other program like FileZilla, Firefox or something like that, you can upload the rough files as well. So I already have it installed, uploaded, so I'm not going to upload it again. So once you have uploaded the files, you can just move on to this main public HTML folder and select the folder that you want to extract and extract the files. Okay, quite quick, huh? It's done. So we are on to the we have already uploaded the files. Let's create the database for this site, because this is very vital, and make sure you understand this process very well, because this is the final step. These are the final steps and very important steps. If you can if you make any mistake in creating database or importing database, you might end up with site not working correctly. This is the database that I'm going to create. Username, I can do soft. Okay, this is the user. Make sure you copy these details, because these are the essential details. These are going to be very important coming forward. Okay, we have successfully created the database now. Sorry again. Let's go to the php my admin folder now. php my admin folder option. This is the database that we have created. Import. Okay, database. Okay, you must have received database as well. This is the database. Uploaded. Okay, now we have all the tables up. Not more, no more work is required. Yeah, now we need to go back to the file manager. Again, I'm doing it through the cPanel, but if you're doing it with any other program like FileZilla or something, the process will remain same, but you just have to download this file that I'm editing. Okay, this is okay. So this is the default file, default username, password which you have received. Okay, user is, this is the username. Password is, again, we already have the password, so database name, this is the database name now. Okay, changes are saved. Let's see if the site runs now. Wow, it works. So you have your dating script working now. Let me show you how to login into the admin panel as well. Just add backslash admin. This is the default username and password. test.com and demo. You can of course change it. Oh, some connection error. No, it wasn't actually an error. It's just that I think, sorry, the error was not because of the files, it was because of the internet. Now we are into the admin panel. You can make all the editings, anything you want. Change password, you can change from here. This is, you can do anything you want. So you have your own dating website working now. Wish you all the success with this site, and looking forward to talk to you again. Bye bye.